Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install WebStorm on your Windows laptop or PC. This guide works on Windows 10 and Windows 11. WebStorm is a powerful IDE from JetBrains, perfect for JavaScript, TypeScript, React, Vue, and modern web development. Let's get started. First, open any web browser. I'm using Chrome, but Brave, Edge, or Firefox will work just fine. In the search bar, type Download WebStorm, then press Enter. From the search results, click on the official JetBrains website. I'll also leave the direct download link in the video description. Once you're on the WebStorm download page, make sure Windows is selected as your operating system. You'll see a single download button. Click Download to get the WebStorm installer. Save the installer file to your PC. The download time may vary depending on your internet speed. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the WebStorm installer file. If Windows shows a security prompt, click Yes to continue. The setup wizard will open. Click Next, choose your installation folder, then click Next again. Follow the on-screen instructions. Select your preferred installation options and click Next. Finally, click Install. Wait for the installation to finish. This may take a few moments. Once it's done, click Finish to close the installer. Now, open the Start menu, search for WebStorm, and launch it. When WebStorm opens for the first time, accept the user agreement and click Continue. You'll then be asked to activate the app. If you already have a license or subscription, click Activation Code and enter your license key. Otherwise, select Start Free Trial to begin using WebStorm for free. And that's it. WebStorm is now installed on your Windows laptop, and you're ready to start coding. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.